This here is a one of a kind, pretty unique piece, one of one, 1962 Cadillac Art Car here at Rumley Motors in Greensboro, North Carolina. People hate it or they love it. And man, it's got more trinkets, bedazzled doodads, and thingamabobs than any other car I've ever seen. They say it was used in the Houston Art Parade some years ago. When I seen it, I just had to have it. Purple interior, leopard print, power seats, power windows, vintage AC. All the windows and the seats work. If it was nighttime, you'd see all this stuff lighting up on the outside of the body. I mean, it's ignorant and it's awesome. It's hard to say. It's got Elvis's timeline in here. A lion, some babies, samurais, Chucky and his bride. I mean, there's parts from all kinds of cars, all kinds of equipment, vacuum cleaners, refrigerators, who knows. Cadillac bumper pieces on the front, Buick Riviera hideaway headlights. It's got real money in both fenders. Trucker girls. I mean, mud flap ladies. $2 bills. Each panel has lights in it also. So nighttime, this thing really gets wild. I don't know if I really want to sell this thing. It's the crown jewel of my collection. Big timers, they pay. It's got 8 tail fins on the back. 1962 Cadillac convertible art car.